Hey everyone, Jodas here, and we're back to the figure reviews. We're very sorry which has taken so long, which is went after a long way hiatus. So here he is, we're back again. So here is the Transformers War for Cybertrons Trilogies Earthrise Deluxe Class Runamuck. Runamuck. Now, this figure is from Transformers War for Saturn Earthrise. Now, this is not from the original release. That was the re-release from 2025. Now, this figure is the re-release from 2020 of the War for Saturn Earthrise. I never had this one until now. They figured just recent release, they just re-released. Finally found him. He's at a Walmart. I think it's cost $25, I believe. So I saw them, I freaking out. So I bought this one. So yeah, really excited for. I couldn't find the Runabout. Was a case Runabout. He's extremely hard to find. He's expensive. This one is a very expensive. That was original, but this time is no longer expensive. I hope I get a Runabout this sometime. There was also upcoming The Trust along with Sunsphere from Transfer Earthrise was coming the Target exclusive next month, who's also rare. So enough of that. Before we look at this here, is already out of the box. Let's take a look at the figures of the package first. And you can see here's what the package looks like from the Transfer War for Cybertron. This is the window box. On the other side, you got a nice little image of the Runamuck. Looks just pretty nice. Says Transfer War for Cybertron, right? The bottom says Runamuck, of course. It's made by Hasbro, Asian Plus. And on the side here, it has a very same size. You got a nice little artwork. You got a nice little art of the from the War for Cybertron Earthrise. This is based on Netflix, not the movies. And on the back, and that's pretty much it. There was 16 steps, and that's it. There was no bio, no re-ups, no nothing. Just a image robot mode to vehicle mode. And it's made by Hasbro from, I think, 2020. That was original release, but it was re-released from 2025. So anyway, I'm very excited for this. Let's take a look. He's already out of the box. Let's take a look. Alright, we're back with Runamuck out of the box. Now, he only comes with weapons. He comes with the blaster, which has a little peg goes on top of his hair. A little peg right here. So there's that. And you can see he's very accurate, but unfortunately, it does not stay connected as well. Now, this figure Runamuck is a repaint from Rotobo, as I mentioned. There was also a variant. There was a 2-pack from Transformers Studio Series Gamer Edition. I think it's a Decepticon Elite Soldier from Transform Devastation. That was a repaint. I was no surprise. That was fun fact. So yeah, so Runamuck. Now this vehicle, I'm not sure what kind of car is that. I believe it's Lingerie. I'm not sure. I'm not a car person. So if you're not really familiar, who the heck is Runamuck? He is introducing from the Decepticon for season 3. He first appears in an episode called Chaos. He's a member of a duo called Battle Charger, along with Runamuck. He is sort of like a twin. He's a Battle Charger. Surprisingly, he didn't die. He just disappeared after this. He appeared twice. He appeared in the episode twice. One for Chaos and one for Ghost Machine. And that was it. He just disappeared, never to see him mentioned again. Wonder what happened to him, his fate unknown. So enough of that, this characters. He did appear various from comics as well. So overall, the Runamuck vehicle looks pretty decent. Nice little windshield. I like it has Decepticon logo. It says Paint Bright. It does a little windshield's plastic. He has a golden stripes in both front and the side. And the back here is a little Illy pipes, smoke pipes. Down the bottom, he's got a little robot junks. So overall, I think it's nice. My only complaint about this thing I have is looks like it's supposed to be connect. It doesn't say that much. So that's pretty disappointing. Well, so anyway, enough of that. It's time to transform himself. First to do, let's start the first let's unpeg is here. You can see there's a shoulder here. Next to do is let's start to unconnect. Let's start is unconnect his here shoulders. The unpeg is here, the shoulder, just in that. Next to do, let's open his the stat. Sorry about I hear the rains, so ignore that. So rotate. Wait, did I put the wrong? Then next to rotate runs weights. Oops, sorry about that. I guess it's supposed to connect here. I guess you're supposed to connect right that. Wait, that's not right. Okay, sorry, I thought it was closed, but no, I was wrong. You're supposed to close band there. So okay, let's move on. So I rotate down, and you can see there's open wrists. Try and open his rotate hand. Now do the exact thing. So like fingernails. Just that, and finally, and then. Come on. That's my only problem is trying to headband this. Okay, I'm supposed to. This is getting frustrating. This won't come out. Okay, that's better. I got this. Now let's move on to close. And just that. And that's about it. Oh, and of course he's. Oh, and finally he's supposed to connect close like that. Hopefully this does not get connected as well. And that's pretty much it. So here is Runamuck in his robot mode. Now, this thing you're seeing, I couldn't find the rulers. He's about the same size, he's about 5 inches tall almost. So yeah, he's about 5 inches tall. Now, for size comparison, here's next to Leader Class Series. Here's Optimus Prime from Transformer Devastation. And you can see he's a pretty side by side. He's pretty shorter compared to the others in this. As for the weapons, he comes with blaster. He can actually hit and hold his as well. One thing, a quick look, he actually comes with a structure booklet. It's pretty big. It's kind of big compared to Preezy of this large. Compare Preezy structure booklets as well. It says Runamuck, says Warfare Sergeant, number 37. And you can see he comes with a red car. All the Earthrise figure comes with looks like a weird scanner cards. What I didn't even care they actually not use it, so I didn't use it, so as well. The Haskell for Runamuck, it looks pretty good. He looks just like how he looks in the show. He just only pairs smaller roles. I like his eyes are kind of looks like a black. It's kind of hard to see. You can see it's kind of hard to see. He has purple eyes. It's got a Decepticon logo chest. It's just a whole body of white plastic. His feet are gold. And just the back, and it's just a giant backpack. So overall, I think this is a pretty nice little figures. Not the best ones. So overall, if you're a fan of G1s or the Battle Charger, I think this best one. If you want to get as a runnable, I think runnable is hard to find. And how they maybe sending to get a runnable would be completely doable, but he's really expensive. Also, Flywheel is also as a battle shard as well. Now, as for articulation for Runamuck, is pretty much the same old as runnable. His heads can rotate 360 degrees. His on the ball joint, it does an up down. His arms goes up and down, goes in and out that much. He has a bicep swivel, 360 degrees. Then in the elbow, no wrist articulation, no wrist articulation. His waist is swivel, his leg is forward and back, goes in and out, thigh swivel, then the knee, ankle forward, side to side because it's transformation. So that's pretty much it about articulations. And there was my review of Transfer Wfc Earthrise Deluxe Class Runamuck from G1. Now this is reissues. Overall, this is a pretty decent looking. Overall, is okay, decent figures. I actually really like the nice detail. It looks way better than the previous Runamuck figure, along with Runabolt, which is I think it's a Collector Club exclusives. I think it's a mail away from Collector Club. I think it's 2013 or 2014. I can't remember what year it is. I look it up. Yeah, I didn't get this one. There was also the vintage figure comparison. It just looked like it's just pull and then let go and then it's motorized and then Roman was quick. They kind of look like statues that can't play them. It's just stuck in the standard pose. So I didn't get a vintage one. So this one is actually much better. It's got lots of pretty posable, pretty articulations. And the transformation is pretty fun and surprising one easier. And the transformations are pretty easy, except the headband. I was trying to pull his head, but it's kind of a little tight because my fingernails are not 12s. So overall, I think I highly recommend this figure. I mean, like I said before, this figure is re-released. I think it's a Walmart exclusive one. So I highly recommend to check out before its time runs out. So anyway, hopefully you enjoy this one. Be sure don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and goodbye.